the Amtrak Roomette. And now I have to assemble my bed for sleeping. The thing is, we had a hard time trying to figure this out. So we tried to go on YouTube. If there's anybody who can give us instructions, like a step-by-step guide, but we didn't find any. So here, I'm going to show you how to turn your seats into a sleeper bed. Let's come in. Okay. First, you're gonna see here, it says lift for recline. So let's lift it. Then you're gonna see this, push for bed. Right? So what we have to do is to get out, step out. Okay, step out, because you can only do this from outside your room. You step here, okay, simultaneously. Come on. You're gonna feel something in the back. There's a metal in the back of your here. Okay, there's a metal in the back as you are pushing this down. There's a metal in the back. You see this? See this? I have to show you this. This metal? This metal? Okay, what you need to do is hold on to that and then push that metal down. That's the metal that you have to push down. It's gonna be like a little bit hard. But you can do it. See? So now it's all assembled. You're gonna do the same thing over here. You're gonna lift this one. Okay, again, step out. And feel that metal. Feel that metal again. Push this. Push it. And then here, sorry, you're going to have this bed here. Is this my bed? Is it this one? Yeah. See, this one is my bed. Okay. Is that my bed? What you're gonna do is get one of those beds from above. Okay. This is the other bed. Then, okay. Here. You're gonna do is set this up down here. Okay. Set it up. Set up. Okay, this in. Then this is your pillow, and you also, sorry, you have a blanket. And you're ready to sleep. All right, guys. There's one thing that should be in your bucket list. Your bucket list is make sure, choose a destination. This is a once in a lifetime experience, and try your Roomette. Amtrak. Bye.